the government officers have been under a lot of intimidation, a lot of harassment. And I've talked about this before with the government. This is the first time I'm saying this because of what has been going on. I'm not quiet because I have nothing to say. I'm saying this so that the people out there will know I've spoken. And I'll tell what it is. So with these processes, you slow down government operations. The officers have nothing to do since the files for procurement are with the boss. So we wait until Mercy releases the files from the boss' hands. The same thing happens with the payments of whatever contractors. And the process is the same. Payments have to be regulated by the same boss. So when they say, oh, hold this file, nobody will question, hold that one. Including personal claims. And I will be very clear here. I was in Eldoret many months ago for devolution conference. Payment for my accommodation as a person and my support staff, the security and the drivers has not been paid to date. Anyone wanting to check, please go check. Governor's team was paid immediately. I do not want to go further than that. There are claims or processes where some payments have been under question and they need to be rectified. I'm saying all this, that we have had officers who have left service, including the county secretary we hired with the governor, Hon Arati. He had to quit out of harassment, he had to quit out of intimidation, he had to quit to save his good name. A few days ago, you saw my name in the media again, where people were castigating me, oh, if you want to go and join us, all comes my way. When I invite the officers, they come to me, they are told, if we remove the deputy governor save you. So why did you find yourself in the deputy governor's office? They even time who stayed for how long in that office. I'm not begging to be in this government. I'm there in my own right as a deputy governor, qualified and allocated that position by the laws of Kenya. It is not by intimidation to me or by anything else that will make me do the work. It is the law of Kenya. So you have understood what is causing the impeachment motion debate that is in Kisii County. I will want to ask the governor, how did the impeachment come about? I'm under his supervision. What is it that the MCAs found that they think I'm incompetent, myself to be incompetent? A person who has led in this country as civil servant, a person who has been a member of parliament, I've chaired the health committee of parliament, I've been the chair of parastatus under the previous regime of government twice, and you believe I'll come to the county and become incompetent? I'll come to these officers and become abusive to the officer? Let's be serious with what we tell the people. Let's not go to the people and they cry. The current scenario is take Monda's name to public participation so that we drag his name through mud. And everybody will hear Monda is so bad because it will be a campaign time to campaign against Monda. So that when it comes to the house, everybody will carry it along. Monda has wronged the government and the laws of the country. That it is a matter of time and the truth will come out. I will stand to make this statement again and again. Even if I'm removed, I'll continue talking about Kisii. I'm one of the Kisii people. Nothing will stop me. I'm a leader in my own right. I did not come here as deputy governor, as a beggar. Let everybody understand. Thank you very much.
Mr. Deputy Governor.
If you listened, I'll say this. That the practice in public service allow your boss to make certain decisions. And my business as the deputy is to advise my boss. When you advise, you don't come to the media. You advise him quietly. If I were to write letters to the boss, it will spoil the climate for working. So I'll only talk to him and tell him I feel this is not right. That I've said. So that I have given him sufficient time for him either to also see what I'm saying or discard it in total, just like he has done.